Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to repair corrupted Microsoft Excel files. So over here, I have a sample file that is corrupt. Now let's see what happens when we try to open the file. So I'm just basically going to select this. Okay, so this says Excel cannot open the file because the file format or file extension is not valid. Verify that the file has not been corrupted and that the file extension matches the format of the file. So I'm just basically going to click OK. And what this tells us is that we need to fix this file to be able to have access to the file, right? Now, how do we do that? So this is where the application Stellar Repair for Excel comes in. Now, this app helps to repair corrupted Excel files. Now, how do you get to download this app and install this app? I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing, and as well using the application to fix corrupted Microsoft Excel files. So let's quickly do that. What you want to do is to locate your browser. So you just go down to your browser and then search for the Stellar Repair for Excel. So I'm just going to, this link over here, I'm going to paste this in the description. So you can find the link in the description and then just click on it to get access to downloading this. So I'll just come below here and then select free download. Okay, so we have that downloaded. I'll just select that. Okay, we are going trying to go through the process of installing the app. So for this, I'm just going to select yes, and then next, select next. So I'm going to click on next, and then finally, I'm going to install this. Okay, so we can now finish. So for user control, I'm just going to click on yes as well. So we have this opened on our PC. Now, for working with this application, what the very first thing that you want to do is to locate your file. Now, where is your file saved? I have my file saved in on my PC, so I'm just going to locate that. I'll just click on browse, go down to the data, select it, click on repair. So that is actually working on that. You can see the process in the log reports below. So this is actually showing you the process over here. Now we have this repaired. This gives us the preview of the current sheets, right? So you can also view other sheets. We have other sheets here. This is the data that we already have repaired, which is actually really great. Now, in order for you to save this, you need an activation key, right? But for you to save this, you can just go above, select save file. So this just basically comes up because you actually need an activation key, just like I said earlier. So if you have an activation key, that's fine. You can just go back to Stellar and then input your activation key. So for me, I have an activation key, so I'll just basically paste that and then activate. All right, so it says activation completed successfully. So I'll just click OK. Then I come back to save file. Then this is asking where I actually want to save this file. So the destination, I think I just want to leave this on my default location. So that is fine. I'm going to select OK. And it's actually working on that. Yeah, this is okay. So we can see that our file has been repaired and saved successfully. Now, how do you get to know that this actually repaired this successfully and then it has been saved? You just have to go back to your file and then locate that. Now you can see the repaired corrupted file here. So what you want to do is just click on that and then it opens up on Excel. Now we can see that this has been worked on and successfully we can now open our file on Excel. So this is an amazing tool that can actually help you ease the stress of trying to think about the corrupt files that you have opening on Excel. Now talking about this tool, the Stellar Repair for Excel is a very great application that can actually help you um, repair Excel files and recover tables, pivot tables, charts, formulas, and the likes. It can also help you preview the repaired worksheets with original properties and self-formatting. It also can help you repair multiple Excel files in a single process. So it's a very good application that can help ease whatever problem that you're facing with your files on Microsoft Excel. Now, this is just the top few cases of when to use the application, and we also have some reviews and recommendations from the Microsoft MVPs beneath, and a lot more beneath. So you might want to just go down and then explore. Right, then we have the pricing here. So you want to, like I said previously, if you want to save your file, you need to subscribe to one of these pricing methods. Like you can actually get to clean up your corrupted file, but if you want to have access to saving it, you need to subscribe. Now we have the Excel repair, which costs $39. We have the file repair toolkit, which also costs $69, and the file repair toolkit technician, which costs $199. So this is actually a very great tool, and I recommend it for anyone that actually has these issues and then want to fix it very fast. So thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.